Assalamu alaikum everyone, once again I'm Sadia Gondal and I'm representing from the platform of Javed Publishers. Today we will be doing Kids English Grade 4 chapter number 8 and the topic is a fighter pilot. So let's start. On page number 53 we will be doing question number 1 about speaking skills, and we have to read the given dialogue with correct rhythm, intonation and pronunciation. Now this dialogue is about how to take turns. So the first dialogue is who will read a story. Second dialogue, I will read first. Third dialogue, madam, I want to read it first. Fourth dialogue, Ali, you read first. Shoaib, you will wait for your turn. And the last dialogue is okay sir. So this dialogue shows you that if you want to take turns, you have to ask the permission from the teacher first, and then it's good to take turns and then do the work. On page number 54, we have spellings. So let's fill in the missing letters. The first spelling is supported, missing letter is P. Second word is desires, missing letter is D. Third word is encouragement, missing letter is N and G. Fourth word is qualification, missing letters are Q and I. And fifth word is combat, missing letter is B. We'll do grammar portion first on page number 54, and we will be doing position and direction words. Position words mean the place and direction means the instructions of how to do something. So let's read these sentences and find out position and direction words. The first sentence is draw a hat on the snowman. Here draw is the direction word and on is the position. Draw a moon in the sky. Draw direction word, in position word. Draw a tree next to the deer. Draw is the direction word and next is the position word. Draw a snowflake near the moon. Draw again is the direction word and near is the position word. Let's read the given text and circle the compound words. Compound words are made up of two nouns to make a new word. So let's find out a compound words from here. After eating breakfast, Samina and Amir went upstairs to change their night dresses. They came downstairs and ran out of the door. They wanted to play outside. They ran straight to the playground where they saw many other children. When Samina was swinging on the swing, her earring got in the hair. She began to cry and her grandmother came running outside to help her. Both children had a wonderful daytime at their grandparents' house. Now the compound words in this paragraph are breakfast, upstairs, night dresses, downstairs, out of the door, outside, playground, earring, grandmother, outside, daytime, grandparents. Now let's learn about common compound words. Now here some common compound words are up to date, and here you can see in this compound word we have used a hyphen. Hyphen is a small dash, and a compound adjective is hyphenated if it is placed before the noun, but not if it is placed after the noun. For example, here hyphenated compound words are up to date, ice cream, self-esteem, brother-in-law, close-up, merry-go-round. On page number 55 we have cases of pronouns. We have three cases of pronouns: subjective pronoun, objective pronoun and possessive pronoun. And subjective pronoun, and all these pronouns shows we use these pronouns in the place of nouns. So let's learn about their usage now. Subjective pronouns are the pronouns in which we use I, he, she, we. Objective pronouns are those pronouns in which we highlight the pronoun on which the action was done. For example, my friend took me to the party. Here, who went to the party? Me, that is I went to the party, but my friend took me to the party. So the action was done on me, so I am going to be the object of the sentence. Hence the objective pronoun. फिर है हमारे पास possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun shows the ownership. For example, this stationery is mine. So mine, yours, their, its, hers, ours, all these words show possessiveness. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आपका, यूज द गिवन प्रोनाउंस एज सब्जेक्टिव, ऑब्जेक्टिव एंड पोजेसिव केसेस इन योर सेंटेंसेस. नेक्स्ट वी हैव बी, डू एंड हैव विद प्रोनाउंस. सो we will be looking at some examples in which we will be learning how be, do and have is used in positive and negative forms. Okay, talking about do, the different forms of do are do, does and did. So when we say it positively, it's going to be I do, it does, he completes. And when we use them negatively, we will use not with them. I do not, it does not, he did not. When we use have, it has two more forms, have and had. Positive have would be I have completed my work and he had written a letter. And negatively, we are going to use not in them. I have not completed my work, she does not have 2 dolls, he has not written a letter. And let's learn the usage of be. Be, the forms of be are is, are, was, were. So when we'll use be as a positive statement, we would say I am a student, he is a good boy, we were sleeping. And in negative form, we would say I'm not a student, he's not a good boy, we were not sleeping. Let's learn about prepositions of movement now. Prepositions of movement show that how the thing was moved. For example, the bird is flying away from the box. Here away is the preposition of movement. Away shows that a movement was made, a movement of place was made. The rabbit is running around the box. Again, around is the preposition of movement. The frog jumps over the box. Over is preposition of movement. The man runs across the bridge. Across is the preposition of movement. Last question is, use the given prepositions in your sentences. So the sentence of along would be, I was walking along the road when I saw the accident. Next word is through. He hit the nail through the wall. Next word, preposition of movement, is towards. He was walking towards the gate to meet his friend. Next word is between. The sentence is, the ball rolled between the desk and the wall. And the last word is across. And the sentence is, she reached across the table to pass the jam. Thank you everyone. अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा और जुड़े रहिएगा बोलती किताबों के साथ.